Ready to kickstart fat loss with smoothies but want it simple, tasty, and real? Let's break it down. Quick reality check. You can't spot reduce belly fat, but a high-protein, high-fiber smoothie can help. Feel full control, calories reduce bloat in just 2 weeks. Here's the blueprint. Pick your liquid. Water, unsweetened almond milk, soy milk, or kefir, about a cup. Toss in a big handful of greens, spinach or kale. Don't worry, you won't even taste the spinach, add your fruit, mostly berries. If you want, add a single higher sugar fruit, banana or mango. Next, protein. A scoop of protein powder, some Greek yogurt or kefir. For fiber and healthy fats, add chia or flax or oats. Just pick one. Want extra flavor? Try cinnamon, ginger, lemon, or even cocoa. Blend it for a minute. Pour and drink it slow, 10 to 15 minutes. This helps you actually feel full. Keep it simple. Skip juice, skip honey, or big spoonfuls of nut butter. Now, the 14-day plan. Have one smoothie a day for breakfast or lunch. Build your other meals around lean proteins and lots of veggies. Rotate your flavors daily. Berry green. Tropical light apple cinnamon oat, and more prep ahead. Bag up greens and fruit in the freezer so you're only a blend away. Stay consistent. Keep your smoothies around 400 calories. And remember, calorie deficit movement, hydration, and sleep matter. Most avoid the common mistakes. No juices, no sugar bombs, don't skip the protein or the fiber. And if you want a printable 2-week smoothie checklist, let me know in the comments. Cheers to feeling lighter and more energized the simple way.